Hey everybody, this is Alex Merced from alexmercedcoder.com, and I got a request discussing sort of how I record videos. What I use is a software called OBS Studio, which I'll drag right into it. This will make everything a little meta. So you can see it goes, since I'm recording the screen, since I have OBS Studio on the screen, you're seeing it kind of go all the way in infinitely. But essentially what it is, the way OBS Studio works is you set up different scenes. So see here I have a scene that's just my camera. This is like the webcam screen right here, and I made the webcam screen a little bit smaller than my canvas and then included this text down here, so I can create like additional scenes. So I can I just hit here like plus and it creates a new scene. Let's say scene 2, and see now you see a black screen because I haven't put anything on this scene yet. So I could do my, let's see here, I think this would be my webcam, so let me add this on the fly. Yep, so you can probably see me now. That's my webcam. Okay, cool. So I can do something like that. And I can, going back to my screen so you can see what I'm going to do next. I want to hit plus. So see, now that I have this scene too, which you can't see at the same time, actually what I can do is I'll have my screen showing up at the same time. So let me make this a little bit smaller. I'm going to add screen capture. Okay. Let's make that a little bit smaller. Okay, so that way we see. Okay, cool. So now you can see me, and so you can build your screen here, and you can kind of do it on the fly, which is pretty cool. Okay, so you can kind of see what I'm doing, and I can keep adding stuff. So I just click over here to add stuff. So let's see what else I can add. I can add text. So I'll just add some text, type some stuff. Okay, and the thing is I can have all these scenes preset, so I can easily just switch between them by clicking between the scenes. And see, it has like that nice little transition effect. So I'm doing this all live, which is pretty easy, which is pretty amazing. And then I can toggle off the visibility of these things like that. So you see now my webcam's gone, now that's gone, and now it's just text. And that's back. Or look, I'm back. So you can do also cool things. There's all sorts of other like things you can add. So you can see the different things you can add. I can add like an audio capture device to capture additional audio inputs. Never did some of these other ones. You can put like random images. You can put logos in there, slideshows, media source. Like I used to do a scene which played a video in some of my earlier videos, but I realized that most of you guys don't want to really sit through 3 seconds of like a little intro animation, and you guys really just want to kind of get into the nit and grit of coding. So I just do that. And yeah, and this is free. OBS is free, and I'm using OBS 25.0. And a cool thing is that you can pause the recording. So sometimes you'll notice that like I seem like I'm stumbling, and then suddenly I know the answer. It's because I hit this pause button right here. Also, other cool things you have studio mode. Okay, studio mode does this. I haven't really used this, but it allows you to have these like 2 screens that you can like play with. I don't know what those things do, but there's cool stuff you can do. Here's where you can change like the transitions. So it's really just 2 transitions right now. But what's this do? I haven't played with this before. Oh, you can add other transitions. Very cool. Okay, let me just get rid of studio mode. You can also do streaming, so you can set up settings. So you go to your settings and you set up streaming. So if you wanted to stream, you'd put your stream key here for whatever your streaming service is, and then you can start streaming, which is pretty cool. Studio mode, settings. Other than that, so yeah, here I have my desktop audio feeding in, but right now it's muted. But you can have audio coming in from your desktop if you're doing like an interview with somebody and you're recording it. Here's my microphone. Otherwise, it's a pretty cool set of what you can do for free, and you can have a pretty good experience. And again, you can stream, so you can stream to YouTube or something like that. So with that, you guys have a good one. Go make some videos, and I'll delete this scene. Toot.